Hey, what time is it today?
Um,
Is it recess time?
yeah.
What time?
Recess time.
Recess time.
Are you recording us?
Yeah.
Why?
Good morning, class.
Hello, and welcome to District 25's kindergarten program. We are so excited you are here and excited that you and your family will be a part of the District 25 community. Because kindergarten looks similar at all of our schools, we figured a day in the life video would be a great place to start for you. And should you have further questions about kindergarten or its curriculum after watching this video, please visit our kindergarten webpage. District 25's full-day kindergarten curriculum offers the best practice in terms of instruction and quality core curriculum, as well as specials. Daily instruction will include literacy, which is reading and writing, math, and science or social studies. Students will experience physical education, art, library, and music. Students will also have time for learning through play. Full-day kindergarten will include lunch, as well as social emotional learning time and recess. When your kindergartner arrives, they will have a designated spot to line up and enter the building. There, they will be met by their teacher. Your kindergartner will learn quickly where to place their items and how to get ready for their morning meeting, where they will watch announcements and go over their schedule for the day. In general, the morning curricular subjects consist of math and literacy instruction. Our teachers all care very much about your child's success and comfortability in their classrooms. Each one is set up with intention and care. Full-day students will participate in a full specials schedule. That includes physical education 3 times a week, music 2 times a week, library media center 1 time a week, and art 1 time a week. The times of day of these will vary based on building schedules. Kindergartners get time each day for purposeful play. This is the time of day where kids are encouraged to use their imagination and explore their curiosities. Classrooms have centers that are meant to engage students in free play, like kitchens and block areas, library area for books, building, creating, reading, whatever the students need as they learn to engage with the world around them. The teachers work with the students in order to promote taking turns, share, and be kind. Once a week, students engage in social emotional learning, or SEL. The district's SEL curriculum is called Ruler. For more information on Ruler, visit our SEL webpage. Students will also experience Strategic Academic Time, SAT. That is daily. During this time, students will receive more individualized or targeted support based on their needs. Each building creates a lunch schedule that best fits the needs of the school. Each grade level, including full-day kindergarten, will visit the lunchroom for their lunchtime. Students have 2 options for eating at school, which include purchasing a lunch at school or bringing a lunch from home. Their teacher will collect their choice at the beginning of the day. The kindergartners will get 2 recess breaks a day, one either in the morning or afternoon, and one at lunch. Every day, your kindergartner will have an opportunity to eat a snack provided by home. Snacks must be a fruit or vegetable in their own skin. Time of day will vary depending on classroom schedule. When it is time for the day to be over, students will gather their things and be guided to line up and exit the building where they are supposed to. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are excited you are here as a part of the District 25 family. If you have any further questions about kindergarten, you can visit our kindergarten website or ask your building's principal.